The sunset here is great, but I cannot stand out there. I got this bug net up, and if I open up and show you, there's probably about 1,000,000 bugs right above us. Huh, they're not there right now, of course. But when I'm out there, there's seriously thousands of bugs up there. Mosquitoes, gnats, black flies. Forget about it. They love my blood too much. They're chewing me up. I got my arms. My legs. They just love me. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them right now. If I open this up a little bit for them, you can see them. And that's not even a lot. So what I did was I went to Walmart, got me a bottle, an expert grill bottle, filled it with water and got peppermint oil and sprayed the van down, sprayed myself down, and sprayed everything around that I didn't want these gnats to be on. And this stuff, I gotta tell you, does not work. They're still here. So peppermint oil doesn't work for the gnats out here. I don't want to have to find a new spot to sit for a while. I like the lake, but I guess the gnats like the lake too. So I'm screwed. I gotta sit in here. I don't mind the dragonflies. There's about 1,000,000 of those out here too. It's those gnats and the mosquitoes and those biting black flies. Yep. Let me see if I can see if the millions are out right now. No, they're not out there. Of course not. When I want to film it, they're not there. But the second I go out there and stand, all the sweat that's coming off me because it's almost 90 degrees here. I sweat like a mofo in the winter. So in the 90-degree weather, I sweat even more. And these mosquitoes love it. I'm like an ice cream truck for them. I also tried the mixture of vinegar and soap in a dish, and I put that on the back of the van because they seem to like the whatchamacallit back there, the hitch with the bag on it, because it warms up nicely in the sun and they like to nest on there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it right now. I don't want to put my hand out there, but see if you can see all those bugs. I got this net off of Amazon for 10 bucks, and it's magnetic and opens and shuts, and it keeps most of the bugs out, so we can keep this door open in the day because it is hot as balls out here. We are up in 7,200 feet up in the mountains, and it's still hot, but other places is like 113, 106, 105, 111. I think we're just going to stay put and deal with the bugs. I can't wait till it's winter. I hate the summer. All I do is sweat and get eaten up by mosquitoes. I'm more of an autumn winter guy. I like layers. I'd rather be cold. I hate these bugs. They just ruin it. They all look like they're mating. There's like, they're all attached to each other. Caitlin's coming up right now. She probably has about 1,000,000 bugs above her head. I don't know how she's walking out there. They go in my eyes. They go in my nostrils. I swallowed a bunch today just walking. Sucks. But it's the price you pay. Let's see here. These screens here, so you can probably see the bugs that I've been crushing. All the guts. Yep. It's a nice view though. And now that the sun's down, we're cooling off. Feels a lot better. I'd like to go rinse off in the shower back in the trees over there, but I'm not gonna risk getting chewed up by all these mosquitoes and gnats. My favorite time here is in the morning. Everything is cool. The sun's not as hot. It takes a little while to warm up and the bugs aren't out yet. Have my coffee. That's my time. The rest of the day, you can forget it. It is just too hot out here. Makes you want to quit this van life thing. Alright, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to do a moist towelette bath tonight just to get all the sweat and grime off of my feet. Every day I gotta wash my feet every day. What's she doing? So yeah, I'm gonna get into my pajamas, wash my feet, clean off my body, call it a night, and then repeat in the morning. I think it's gonna be 85 tomorrow, which is chilly compared to what we've been experiencing. The spot we were at last time, we wanted to stay longer, but they were getting up into the 97, 98, 99 degrees, and also the spiders there are ridiculous. We got infested with these, I don't know what you call them. They're just really long leg spiders. They're not daddy long legs. I've seen daddy long legs. These things are wicked looking. So yeah, we had to get out of there and get up to here, which is 10 degrees cooler here, but man. Another trick that I've been trying are these bounce dryer sheets. I guess the smell of these are supposed to repel those mosquitoes and gnats. And I put one out on the step here, and I put one out on the back of the van where they like to sit. That's on the outside. And let me tell you, these really don't work either. So everybody that I've watched on YouTube that has their tricks for getting rid of bugs, yeah, I don't think any of this works. I think the only thing that's going to work is a campfire and smoke them out. But we're in a high risk zone right now for fires, so we can't have fires. The rangers in the fire department drive through here frequently, make sure nobody's lighting anything up. But yep, the ducks are quacking, and I gotta get in here and clean up. Oh, are they coming out even more now? Can you see them? No, it's not the bunch I want you to see. Anyways, I'll see if I can catch them later.